I do not know how it is that I have come to know these things. Whether they were whispered to me in dreams, uncovered in forgotten texts, or impressed upon my mind by some agency older than the stars themselves, I cannot say. Yet the knowledge remains with me, persistent and undeniable, and so I commit it to record. For the universe, as we know it, did not begin in the way our philosophers imagine. It did not arise from explosion or accident, nor was it fashioned deliberately by a creator who desired worlds and living things. Rather, existence itself is the byproduct of a far older struggle. Before the first star burned, before space had direction, and before time had begun its relentless march, there existed only a single awareness. This being possessed no body, nor any shape that the human mind might comprehend. It occupied all things and no place at all. Its thoughts contained the totality of possibility, though nothing had yet been compelled to manifest. It was, if one must use a word for such a condition, complete. Around it lay an endless stillness, not darkness, for darkness implies the absence of light, and light had not yet been born. Not emptiness, for emptiness implies a space waiting to be filled. There was simply perfect equilibrium. Nothing moved. Nothing changed. Nothing ever had. Had this state continued indefinitely, there would be no stars, no worlds, and certainly no men to ponder the question of their origins. But perfection, as it would seem, is not immune to disturbance. At some unknowable moment, the stillness faltered. The awareness perceived it at once, a tremor so slight that it might have escaped the notice of any lesser intelligence. Something had moved, not deliberately, not consciously, but undeniably. A ripple spread across the infinite quiet, like a fracture racing across the surface of unbroken glass. The awareness turned its attention upon this phenomenon. What it observed could not easily be described. The disturbance possessed no coherent form. It twisted and folded upon itself with a restless energy that seemed almost eager to transform everything it touched. Where it passed, the perfect stillness collapsed into unpredictable motion.